we would get what we wanted. And that's the Envita opportunity. Now, to tell you a little bit about the industry, it is $7.3 trillion in assets. Assets. Understand our government is $7 trillion in debt. All you have to do is look back to 1986 when the savings and loans went under. Who bailed them out? The insurance companies did. Why? Because our government didn't have the capital. $450 billion a year done in premium and annual sales, and there's an increased number of customers every year. There's a significant uninsured population. And please don't take this wrong, but we have an age gap in the United States that is ignorant on insurance. And ignorant is not a bad word. Stupid, now we can't fix stupid, but ignorant just means that we're uneducated on a subject. I'm ignorant on how to fly a plane, but so many people are walking around and they don't have life insurance and they don't understand what would happen if something happened to them, and they're putting it off till tomorrow. This is why some of the top insurance companies in the world have gone to Harry Stout and said, please open up a company and help out the U.S. We need a sales force and we need you to run it. And this is what created the dynamic growth opportunity. Now guys, this is a perception of what's taking place in the United States. The average income in the U.S. is $60,000, and Americans are not saving enough for retirement, which means 95% of people die broke, meaning they're living beyond their means, they're running out of money before they run out of time. The average credit card debt is $15,000, the average mortgage debt is $150,000, and student loans is $30,000. What we're doing is our kids are going out and being burdened with debt, and that becomes generational also. And at the end, we're all a sum of our previous choices, meaning these are decisions that we made, nobody forced them upon us. So it's time for a change, guys. How to build your wealth through the Envita opportunity. Understand there's 8 levels in our company, and you can go through these levels in 8 months, 9 months, 2 years, or we can simply show you how to, on the very first one, as a writing agent, go out and make a full-time income, all on the power of your own pen. You do not have to build a team. Now, whenever you come into the company, you start out at 60%. And I know this is Greek to you, but I'm going to show you exactly what it means. You go from 60% down to 80%, and then 85% is the holy grail. And the maximum that you can go in our company is 110% of the life insurance policy. So what does that mean? You start out at a contract of 60%. So I'm going to give you an example today, guys. The average policy in the U.S. is $84. That means you sit down with your brother, your cousin, your mother, your aunt, and you show them how you can protect them. Well, the average policy will be $42 for him and $42 for her. That's $84. Well, if you take that times 12 months, that's $1,000. So that's your average premium over the course of the year. Now, what our company will do is they will give you a 60% commission based off of that $1,000. The minute they showed me that, I said, stop. I said, so I can sit at my son's kitchen table, or I can sit at my sister's kitchen table, and I can pick up an $84 check, and I'm going to get paid commission for $600. They said, yes, Tim, that's it. I said, I got it. I'm in. I said, that's a very, very simple concept. And they said, but Tim, you don't have to pick up a check. 90% of your customers are going to be what's called non-medical. You'll simply sit with them. You'll ask them 6 or 7 questions. You'll put it into an app on your phone. Okay, do they smoke? Do they drink? Do they have a job? What their weight is? And within 48 hours, $84 will be deducted from their account. They said, now Tim, real quick, one thing we want you to understand is they only send you $450 up front. That's 75%. And the other 25%, they send that to you in months 10, 11, and 12. So your total earned is $600